Question number 1. Four friends M, N, O and P are playing cards. If P faces towards north and M faces towards west, then who faces towards south? The answer is D, which means data inadequate. Question number 2. Pointing towards a man, Radhika said, "His sister is my daughter's brother's mother." How is the man related to Radhika? The answer is A, which is brother.
Select the option which will replace the question mark in the given number series. 198, 194, 185, 169. The correct answer is D, which is 144.
Which of the following Venn diagram represents the best relationship between men, trees, and living beings? The answer is B. Question number 5. Which of the following numbers will complete the given figure? The answer is B, which is 97. 6. Select a pair of figures from the option that has the same condition of placement of dots. The answer is A, which is PQ. If the digits of a watch are replaced by every alternate letter in alphabet starting from 12 in the reverse order, 12 is replaced by A, 11 is replaced by C, and so on, then at which letter would the hour hand stop when it is at 5 p.m.? The answer is C, O. Count the number of triangles in the given figure. The answer is A, 20. Find the mirror image of the given figure X if the mirror is placed vertically to the left. The answer is B. Arrange the given units in a meaningful sequence. 1. Hecto. 2. Centi. 3. Deca. 4. Kilo. 5. Deci. The answer is C. Two positions of a dice are given below. Find the number at the bottom with number 6 is at the top. The answer is A, 1. 121 is related to 12 in the same way as 25 is related to dash. The answer is C, 6. A bird shooter was asked how many birds he had in his bag. He replied they were all sparrows but 6, all pigeons but 6, and all ducks but 6. How many birds did he have in his bag? The answer is A, which is 9 birds. Which of the following is exactly in the middle of the 17th from the right end and 18th from the left end in the given arrangement? The answer is A, which is A. Which of the following options will complete the pattern in figure X? The answer is C. A ray of light parallel to the floor strikes a plane mirror which is inclined at a 40 degree as shown in the figure. What is the angle of reflection? The answer is C, which is 50 degrees. When you heat a system, its temperature dash. The answer is D, which is always goes up or down depending on the heat. Two boys P and Q are running along the same path. P is 10 meters ahead of Q initially, however Q catches up with P after running 50 meters. Assuming that both boys are running at a constant speed, what is the ratio of the speeds of P and Q? The answer is D, which is 4:5. The given figure shows a circuit which contains two identical lamps. When the switch is closed, which of the following statements best describes what happened to lamps P and Q? The answer is B. Two magnets P and Q attract four soft iron bars W, X, Y, and Z at their poles as shown in the given figure. What will happen to the iron bars when the two magnets move towards each other and attract each other? The answer is B, which is X and Y will drop off. A laboratory thermometer gave the reading of -1 degree Celsius and 99 degrees Celsius when inserted into melting ice and boiling water respectively, both at standard atmospheric pressure. What is the error when the same thermometer is used to measure the differences between two arbitrary temperatures? The answer is C, which is 0 degrees Celsius. Metal pots are often made shiny on surface outside, especially on the top and side, and that makes sense thermally because this dash. Answer is B, radiates less energy out of the pot. Komal and Kavita started one end of the street, run to the other and then head back. On the way back, Komal is ahead of Kavita. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the distance covered and the displacement of the origin at the moment? The answer is C. During the formation of rain, when water vapors change back to liquid in the form of raindrops, dash. The answer is B, which is heat is released. Observe the following experiment set up carefully. Identify liquid X in the test tube, residue Y left in the beaker, process Z involved. The answer is D, which is X water, Y salt, Z evaporation and condensation.
Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Acid rain causes damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants and animals. Statement 2. Air pollution such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide dissolves in rain to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. The correct answer is A, which means both statements 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1.
Riyansh placed 3 different types of glasses in front of letters as shown below. Which of the following observations is correct? The correct answer is D, which is glass 3 is translucent and frosted.
Preeti has collected some items from her kitchen. 1. Amla, 2. Baking soda, 3. Tamarind, 4. Soap, 5. Lime water, 6. Common salt, 7. Sugar. She classified them as acidic, basic and neutral substances. Which of the following classification is correct? The correct answer is D. A science teacher arranged the following sets of test tubes and added different indicators to the solutions. She asked the students to find out the incorrect result from the following. The correct answer is B, which means test tube 2 and 4 turn China rose indicator to green. Some examples of changes are given below. Classify the above changes into irreversible physical change, chemical change, reversible physical change. The correct answer is A, which is 1AF, 2BDE, 3C.
50 ml of water at 25 degrees Celsius was poured into each of the 3 containers as shown in the given figure. The containers were then left in a closed room. Which of the following graphs correctly shows the volume of water in each container after 5 hours? The correct answer is C. Which of the following statement is/are true or false regarding nutrition in organism? 1. Photosynthesis can occur in leaves having color other than green. 2. The process of photosynthesis first produces a simple carbohydrate called glucose, which then gets converted into a complex carbohydrate called starch. 3. Cuscuta is a yellow-colored plant, but it can synthesize its own food by photosynthesis. 4. In a symbiotic association, Rhizobasian bacteria derive their nutrition from fungus. The correct answer is D, which is 1 true, 2 true, 3 false, 4 false. Read the given passage. The water-bearing layer of the earth called P is made up of 2 components Q and R. The top layer of level P is called S. When 2 buried tubber wells are used in an area, the level of S in that area goes down. Select the correct sequence of words to fill up the blanks in the above passage. The correct answer is D, which is P aquifer, Q soil, R permeable rocks and S water table. The dash flies from its native place in Russia to places like dash in Rajasthan and dash in Haryana during a particular season. It stays in India for a few months and then goes back to dash season. The general name given to birds like these is dash birds. The correct answer is B, which is 1 Siberian Kate, 2 Bharatpur, 3 Sultanpur, 4th Winter, and 5th Migratory. Which of the following is the probable method these migratory birds used to travel in the same place each year after year? The correct answer is D, which is all of these. A teacher showed the following plants to students and asked them to write their methods of reproduction. Given below are answers written by the students. Student P. W, X and Y propagate vegetatively through stem. Student Q. X and W are rhizomes which propagate vegetatively through roots. Student R. X is called bulbul which propagates vegetatively through stem. Student S. Y vegetatively propagates through roots. Which student wrote the correct answer? The correct answer is B, which is only student S. Refer to the given flow chart showing the characteristics of P, Q and R which are present in some animals and absent in others. Identify P, Q, R and select the correct option. The correct option is answer C, which is P lungs, Q's book lungs and R spiracles. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. The correct answer is C, which is A2, B3, C1, D5 and E4. Which of the following statements best describe the organism growing on the given piece of bed? The correct answer is C, which is 2 and 4. The given diagram shows blood circulation pathway in the heart. Which of the following correctly shows the relative amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide at P, Q, R and S? The correct answer is D, which is more CO2, P and Q, more O2, R and S. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the given animals? Both X and Y possess streamlined body and webbed feet. 2. Both are good swimmers. 3. Y has a thick layer of fat under its skin with fur on its body, while X has thick skin and a layer of fat under its skin. 4. Both live together in large numbers and huddle together to keep themselves warm. 5. Y has very strong sense of smell unlike X. The correct answer is C, which is 2, 3 and 5. Jayesh placed 3 potted plants in an airtight glass tank as shown in the given diagram. If he placed the setup in a dark cupboard for a few hours, what would happen to the lime water after a few hours? The correct answer is C, which is it would turn milky. Refer to the given figures and answer the question that follows. What are the main functions of X, Y and Z? The correct answer is D, which is X transports food, Y transports water and minerals, and Z, which is gaseous exchange. Given below are the food components P2S and the corresponding sources. P. Meat, fish, eggs. Q. Butter, ghee, margarine. R. Bread, biscuits, potatoes. S. Amla, tomato, orange. Select the incorrect statement regarding them. The correct answer is A, which is deficiency of P causes marasmus in children and crevassia only in adults. Study the given diagram carefully. A pump containing 50 cm³ of air is connected to the glass jar. The capacity of the jar is 200 cm³ of air and it contains 200 cm³ of air. The plunger is pushed all the way into the pump and all the air from the pumps goes into the jar. What will be the volume of the air in the jar now? The correct answer is B, which is 200 cm³. A fish sees the face of a scuba diver through a thin bubble as shown in the figure. Compared to the face of the diver, the image seen by the fish will be. The correct answer is B, which is smaller and inverted. Fill in the blanks by observing the following chemical process. The above process becomes faster when humidity is A and can be prevented by applying a coat of B or by depositing a layer of a metal like C on iron. The correct answer is C. A leaf litter community has woodlice as prima consumers and centipedes and millipedes as secunda consumers. The given graph shows the changes of the population of woodlice over a period of time. Which of the following is an incorrect possibility as per given graph? The correct answer is C. The given figure shows the longitudinal section of two flowers of the same type. Study the following statements with reference to the given figure. 1. Z and U show self-pollination whereas Y shows cross-pollination. 2. W, X and Z show transfer of pollen grains that will result in fruit formation. 3. Z shows self-pollination while X shows cross-pollination. 4. X and Z show pollination that will result in fruit formation. 5. W, X and Y show cross-pollination. The correct answer is D, which is 1, 2 and 5 are false, 3 and 4 are true. Refer to the given graph which shows the effect of pH on the activities of three enzymes X, Y and Z. The three enzyme samples X, Y and Z are taken from which parts of the human alimentary canal? The correct answer is D, which is X stomach, Y mouth and Z duodenum.